Less is more, and you don't need to have a whole rainbow of colors in your design, illustration, artwork or photograph to make it look exciting. This is when duotone techniques in Photoshop come into play. And after you have mastered image preparation and approaches to combining colors, you will be able to create stunning duotones in no time. Duotones can be extremely useful in different types of projects. They can be used to create standalone posters or spot graphics, or to give the same flavor to the set of images used in editorial projects or on the website. And, as well proven by Spotify, duotones can also become the main feature of visual identity. And apart from all that, duotones make great background images, allow to simplify and change the overall mood of photographs, help to imitate zine aesthetics, reappropriate and give a new life to found vintage illustrations, and of course enable you to take your own illustrations or designs to the next level by finishing them up with the power of color. To further explore examples of all sorts of duotone applications, don't hesitate to check out my duotones research board on Pinterest. So, let's get on with looking into how to get the most out of the duotones in Photoshop.